Hey everyone, Nick here. Today I wanted to talk to you about a quick little PowerPoint tip that you're really going to like. So you'll see a lot of these slides here with a really beautiful title and then maybe an icon next to it. And a lot of times those icons are in sort of a circle. Now you can put a circle on your slide, you can put an icon on your slide, you can make sure that they're centered and aligned to the middle and then group them, and then you can do that individually, or you can embed this aspect as part of your slide template so that you can insert a new slide and it can already come with a really nice custom placeholder in that header line. So this is kind of what I'm talking about. So you'll get this as a stock layout here. It's just the title and content. But what we want is to move this title over and put a nice little circle placeholder there where we can click and then put an icon into. So what we're going to do, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make a custom slide with a custom header, and we're actually just going to use this same layout here. So we're going to go to the View tab, and then you're going to go under Master Views. We're going to select the Slide Master. Now we've had other videos before about working with the Slide Master. You can see that all of these different layouts that they have underneath the parent slide. This is the parent slide right here. Everything in terms of formatting and text in your PowerPoint file pulls from this master slide, this parent slide, and then all of this child layouts are right here. Now you can create your own custom layouts, or you can do a little bit of editing to the stock layouts that they have. Now the number one tip though is do not delete any of the placeholders that they have on these stock layouts. You can add things to the side, but you cannot delete them, because this can create some problems down the line if you have other different layouts or new things that you want to add to your slides later. So that's just a quick little pro tip. Make sure to keep everything that's on these stock layouts intact. So I'm going to go to my to that content and title slide right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this title over just a little bit, and now I'm going to insert my own custom placeholder. So we're going to go ahead up to the placeholder menu right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to say online image. Now you could also do a, you could also do the content placeholder. That will work. If you wanted an image like a picture, then you might want to do this picture placeholder, because then you could insert an actual photo. But you can't insert an actual icon like that unless the icon is a file like a PNG or JPEG. So let's just go to the online image, and I'm going to show you what that's going to look like. We're going to go ahead and click that, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag this so that it's kind of filling this space. They're nice and aligned right here, a nice little square. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to actually change the shape of this placeholder. Now right now it's set to a square, so all we have to do is go up to the Shape Format tab. It's already activated. Edit the shape, and then we're going to say change shape, and I'm going to go down here to the oval. And now let's see if we don't have any lines here, but if I were to right click, format the shape, and go over to the Format Shape menu under Line, you can see it says No Line. Let's click it to Solid Line, and let's make it a nice blue color that I had custom. I'm going to increase the width of the lines to 2 points, and now you can see that since I changed the shape to a circle, now the placeholder is actually a circle too. But let's go back up to the Shape Format menu and change this to a square, a rectangle, and now you can see that placeholder is a rectangle. So I'm going to go ahead and click Undo. Remember, undo is our best friend. So I'm going to make sure that these two, the title and the placeholder, are nice and middle aligned. I'm going to use my alignment tools like this, nice and then a middle alignment right there. And now what we're going to do is we will go back to our View tab and go to the normal view. This is going to put us back to the normal view, editing our slides. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this placeholder slide that we have right here. If we go up to the New Slide menu, now you can see this title and content layout. You can see that little circle right there. If you zoom in, that's the new slide layout, or the new element that we put on the stock slide layout. So I'm going to go ahead and say Insert. Now you can see I have this title. Now I can enter my title here. I'm just going to say Our Research Process. And now we have this nice placeholder here. I'm going to go ahead and click on Pictures, and you can see it says from device, stock images, search on the web, mobile device, or icons, and that's where I'm going to do icons. So this online picture placeholder is a little more flexible because you could put in a picture if you wanted to, or you can use those icons. So now I'm going to open the icon menu, and let's just type in research and see what options I get. There's my sort of flask right there, the beaker, or there's this that beaker right there. Let's go ahead and just say we want that beaker for our new slide, and you can see now you have a beautiful, nice little icon. I'm going to go ahead and just update the font to a nice bold. bold. Maybe I want to make that blue. And now you have a really nice slide. Now, if you watch the next video in this series, I'm going to show you how to format this icon inside that placeholder to make it look just a little bit more slick, a little more professional, okay? So stay tuned for that next video. Click over to that next video next, or make sure to hit the subscribe button and you'll get notified when that video drops. So thanks again for watching. If you like it, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, all that good stuff, and I will see you next time.